All right, so we're gonna be unboxing and giving a first impressions of this Chillbo couch. Just gonna cut that open here. I'm really digging the color on this. It's gonna be super cool for outside and camping. So this big guy, I'm gonna zoom out here. This big guy fit in that tiny little box. And now I'm going to follow those instructions and show you guys what it looks like. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I went outside real quick, grabbed some wind, and here we go. This is amazing. I can't believe how tiny that was, that it fit in this little bag. And now we have this whole big lounger couch. I really can't wait to use this. My kids are going to be so obsessed with this. Yeah, can't wait to use it. I got it in this really cool color. Wow, I love this bag that it comes with. That's really nice. That's a great feature to have. Adjustable strap here, and the drawstring at the top. This pouch here. Grab the instruction card. So it says scan this to get a masterclass in setting it up. And then it gives you all of the steps here. So we can make this a lounger style or a couch style. And I am going to open this up on camera for us. Let's see. Okay.